What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you another unboxing and on-feet review of another Air Force One. Guys, this is the Nike Air Force One. Have a Nike day. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are in the middle of our New Balance Sport 997 Premium Leather Pack giveaway. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics. Now, for the Air Force One giveaway, we are actually drawing the winner in this vlog. So make sure that you watch until the very end of the video to see if you are the lucky winner and you will own a brand new Air Force One in your size. Before we get to the unboxing of this really nice Air Force One Have a Nike Day, I just remembered two of the all-white Air Force Ones in the stories that they have that I currently own. First up is this all-white triple white Air Force One that I picked up a few months ago. I actually got this from a thrift store, or here in the Philippines we call it an ukay-ukay. I actually made a series trying to figure out if this was genuine or if it was fake. I never really got to find out if it was like 100% legit. But hey, I probably clocked in more than like 50 to 60,000 steps on this already, and I really can't tell the difference in terms of performance and cushioning with a real one or a fake one. But since I paid money for it already, might as well make the most out of it. So this is the first pair. The second triple white Air Force One that I ended up buying was when I was in Japan. This is the pair. I did like a customization thing with it. I wrote my name in Japanese along the lateral side, and I miserably failed in trying to put a Japanese flag on the medial side. Now, to me, it looks nice, but it kind of looks weird after like a few weeks because the spray paint actually didn't land properly. It started to spread outwards. But hey, looks cool. I think at least I think it looks cool. Now, links to both videos, the customization of this Air Force One in Japan, will be down below, as well as all the 3 videos that I did about trying to figure out if that particular Air Force One, the one that I just put down on the floor, was real or not. Check them out if you guys haven't seen them yet. Now let's get to the unboxing. There are only a few times wherein I see an image of a sneaker, a general release sneaker, and I can't help myself and I get really excited and I really want to pick that sneaker up. This is one of those sneakers. This, like what I mentioned earlier, is the Nike Air Force One Have a Nike Day in white. So as you guys can see, it comes in that familiar Air Force One box with the embossed Nike Air Force One silver logo here. You have the details of the sneaker along the side. As you guys can see there, it says size 12. I did go through to size on this one. Quick note though, to those who are thinking of buying Air Force Ones, a lot of people actually suggest that you go half a size down or sometimes even a full size down because it is a big sneaker. Now, I have wide feet and I want to be comfortable, so I usually try to go true to size with all of my Air Force Ones. But I suggest you guys try your feet out in this shoe or any Air Force One so you can get your sizing for the Air Force One. Let's get to the unboxing. So let's pop the lid open, and the first thing that you guys will see is that familiar tissue paper with the stars printed all over it. And if you take it out, obviously the thing that you will see is the sneaker itself. And man, just looking at it makes me smile. I'll just take it out the box so you guys can see for yourselves. This is the Nike Air Force One Have a Nike Day. That just looks so cute. Take a look at that smiley face. So as you guys can see, the defining feature is the print of the smiley with the swoosh here on the lateral side. It is an all-white leather Air Force One. The 2 accents apart from this smiley face is the black outsole that gives it a little more character, so it's not just a boring all-white. And then you have the black lace tips as well. You also have a Nike Day, which is written here at the tongue tab, and the Nike Air logo as well in black on white. Here's what the outsole looks like. Look at that silky black color, and man, it just looks so fun. It just looks so happy. It's just so good vibes. I mean, there aren't a lot of sneakers that were specifically built to generate good vibes and to just be fun. The last sneaker that I remember that evoked this kind of feeling from me was the Sean Wotherspoon 97 one Air Max. So that's the, let me, hold on, I will get it. Here you have it. This is the sneaker. This is the Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 97-1. I mean, just take a look at the colors. It is super fun. It is made of corduroy. But if you take a look at the insole, you actually have the same cheeky, smiling face there printed. And it's kind of like, it pops out a bit, so it is a bit 3D. But it does have the same smiley, well, not 100% the same, or it kind of looks the same. Well, it looks the same. So you guys compare. So at least they got the swoosh and the cheeks right. The eyes on this one are definitely a little bit bigger, but you guys get the idea, right? Now, what even makes it so much better is the price. This is not an overpriced pair of Air Force Ones. This one actually just set me back 5,200 pesos, or a little less than $100, or maybe $100. I can't get the exact conversion properly in my head right now. But yeah, so it's not super pricey. So it is an all-white or almost all-white sneaker, definitely generating a lot of good vibes with this smiley. I think I will be wearing this a lot in the next few weeks. And all the off-whites and all the pricey sneakers here will have to take a back seat just because I find this so cute and so fun. Now, they actually also released a pink version of this one, but I'm not sure if it will be available locally here in the Philippines. This one, the white one, is in leather. The pink one apparently is made out of suede. And I'm not sure, again, if it's for the women or if it's unisex or if men can actually wear it also. But yeah, the only one that I saw land here in the Philippines for now is this all-white version. So how is this sneaker on feet? Now, I have reviewed a lot of Air Force Ones in the last few weeks, so you guys are probably sick of me saying the same thing. But yeah, it is comfortable. Why? It's mainly due to three things. Number one, you have the insole. Number two, it's the full air unit that's encased here in the rubber midsole. And lastly, it's the padding along the collar of the shoe. All of those three things combined deliver an exceptional, comfortable stride if you are walking in the Air Force One. It also helps that it is a bit wide in the midfoot and the forefoot. So if you have wide feet like me, this one really works. So do I recommend the Air Force One have a Nike day? Of course I do. It's so fun. I mean, it's not a lot of, there aren't really a lot of sneakers that give as much good vibes as this one. If you can pull it off, if it's something that you can relate with, if it's something that talks to you, then why not pick it up? It sells for a little over 5,000 pesos at Soul Academy. But, there's a big but. The problem, guys, is that I heard that this sold out fast. I mean, I picked it up as soon that I saw it flash on their IG account, and the sales guy was already telling me that it was flying off shelves. So I don't think you will still be able to find a pair for retail over at Soul Academy. So if you want to get one, chances are you might probably want to try your luck on a local reseller, or you can hit up StockX and try to buy one online from them. So yeah, guys, that's actually it for my review of the Nike Air Force One Have a Nike Day. Now, at this point of the vlog, I just want to draw our winner of the Nike Air Force One in their size, brand new. So how will this go? I will pick a winner via Easy Promos app. So the winner will be flashed in a bit on the screen, and then I will contact that person, and then I'll try to get their details, their IG account, stuff like that, so I can get them the Air Force One in their size, and I'll either just meet up with the person or ship it to them. So let's find out who won. Congratulations to the winner, guys. It's not too late. If you didn't win, we also have a New Balance giveaway ongoing right now, thanks to our friends from Soul Academy as well as New Balance Philippines. So please don't forget to click the link down below to the New Balance giveaway so you can see the mechanics. It's very straightforward. All you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and then follow 3 accounts on Instagram, which is mine, Soul Academy, and the New Balance Philippines, and then leave a comment in the video, in the link down below, on why you like the 997 Sport Leather Premium Pack, and you get a chance to win. I will draw the winners of that one next Sunday, so you still have 7 days to join in case you guys haven't yet. That's actually it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, click the links down below for the latest giveaway for our New Balance 997 Leather Premium Sports Pack. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom. What is next for the vlog? Now, instead of like a shoe going around on a plate and you guys getting a vague idea, not getting the real idea what I'm going to do next, I'll just talk to you. So there are a bunch of reviews that I am working on. First up, I'm about to finish my review of the Off-White Nike Air Force One, the 10 OG. So take a look at that. I did an unboxing of this one. Super fire, super nice, super dope. All the cool adjectives that describe it. Woo! Hype, 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 hype. Next, I'm also going to do a review of a sneaker that I didn't expect to be so good. I mean, this is from United Nude. They have a store here in the Philippines. They're a designer brand. And guys, this is really one of the most comfortable sneakers I've ever worn on my feet. I mean, my feet were so thankful after I wore them. I want to have more colorways of this sneaker. So watch out for reviews of both sneakers coming soon on the channel. Boom! Dusty, say hi to the vlog. Dusty. Dusty! Dusty, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.